As many regular viewers may know, over the past couple of years I've been testing various jetting kits and carburetors on my 2017 KTM 250 two-stroke, as well as those installed on friends' and customers' bikes. About 8 months ago, George Boswell at STIC Fuel Systems contacted me and asked me whether I'd be interested in reviewing a new product called the STIC Metering Block. I accepted the offer and found that the STIC matches its claims of increased engine performance. Both myself, friends and customers have found the STIC to outperform other solutions, including the Mikuni, which comes fitted to 2017 plus KTM's and Husqvarna's, unmodified Keihin Smart Carb Electron, and most recently KTM TPI. And we've been doing our ride testing in real-world off-road conditions at various altitudes and weather conditions. If you watch the following excerpts from previous videos, I hope you'll be able to see the advantages of the STIC and how well it performs. Here's some feedback I received from a couple of STIC customers. If you want to read the detail, just pause the video.
How's it go?
It's much different.
It goes, yeah?
It's got a great mid-range now.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun.
It just widened the range.
Yeah. It revs out further as well.
It revs out further and it starts earlier as well.
Yeah. Bike's going really well, it feels really crisp and pulls well at any RPM. Lugged really well up there, just totally solid, really easy. So Phil's having a go on my bike. How was that?
That's lovely. It loves third, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It just rips up there.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do that again.
It's like being a teenager again, isn't it?
It's good job you can't see my smile.
So I was talking to the inventor of the STIC, George Boswell, and he was explaining that the STIC is capable of compensating for altitude. So today we're riding about 1,700 meters, which is quite a bit higher than we normally ride, normally around 1,000, 1,200 meters. I haven't made any changes to the jetting, and the bike is running perfectly. So I think it really does work. So Rasmus has just fitted a Keihin 38mm and a STIC, and this is his first ride. So how do you like it?
Fucking awesome. It's amazing.
You had the Electron on before. How's it compared to Electron?
It's way more linear now.
Yeah.
The Electron was okay, but it's way different.
Yeah.
So much better.
What's the power like?
It's It's very linear,
Yeah.
but it's like 20% more power in the entire rev range
Yeah.
compared to the Electra.
Wow. So you're enjoying it? Yeah.
It's great.
Good.
Oh, that's testament to that carburetor. The third gear there, fairly slow. And we're probably about 1700 metres now. It just lugs out of third. So easy now. It just makes you more confident. Yeah, it just lugs it. So before I'd about to change that to first.
How's it going?
Doesn't stall coming downhill.
Yeah.
Consistent the whole time.
Yeah.
Instant power. It's just so much more usable torque.
Yeah.
When you're slowing down, like on the Makuni, when you slow down, it ding, ding, ding.
Pipe bang.
Yeah. It's quite annoying. This one's very smooth off.
Yeah.
What I really love about it is all this sticky stuff. You just go into really quite high gear and just keep lugging it. There's no lag.
Yeah.
It comes straight on.
It's very linear, yeah?
Very linear, yeah.
So you like it?
I love it. I love it, mate. I was really excited about today, just for this reason. Since it was new and we put the RK head and the reeds and the JD jetting,
Yeah.
it ran really nicely that day. But since it just hasn't been consistent, so you don't know what you're going to get when you turn up on a Sunday.
Yeah. Well, my 250's been super consistent. I've
Yeah,
never had an off
exactly,
day.
I know.
Yeah.
Like when we were in that one, because I had to go on yours. See, mine was really struggling on bottom end.
Yeah.
And it's because if you know, like with a thumper, you get they're very consistent every single week.
Yeah.
You know exactly what's coming out of the engine, no matter where you are. Now I just found them with the old carburetor. You just don't know what to expect.
Yeah.
So you come out of a corner, so you know the corner you're coming. You know you've got to have a good handful as you get round there. You get in there and you open it up, and then nothing happens.
Yeah.
It's just like a handbrake on.
Yeah.
This one today is just, it's acting beautifully. I mean, there's a few of the hills that we've never made before. It's no drier than normal, is it?
No.
It's just sailing up them.
Yep. Cool.
In summary, I'm very sensitive and selective about what I recommend and sell, and I can honestly say that I highly recommend the STIC. I've had detailed communication with the STIC inventor George Boswell, and he's agreed to give me some diagrams and full explanation regarding how the STIC process works. I have permission to share this information with you, and that will be in an upcoming video. Interestingly, he also mentioned that the STIC has been emission tested and passes the European emission standards. And actually the emissions are lower than the KTM TPI. So be sure to look out for this new video very soon.